Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I made this very cute little owl cushion cover out of my old sweater, like say old top sweater. Yeah, you can also use your t-shirt or your top, yeah, whatever old clothes you've got lying around the house, just reuse them, repurpose them, and turn them into a cushion cover. I'm really in love with this owl right now. It's so cozy, like it's so cute. And this is like a very easy DIY. I'm sure all of you gonna love this so much as I do. So if you like the video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and keep watching. Alright, so all you need for this DIY is a cushion and a pair of scissors, of course, and a jumper or a sweater or a t-shirt, whatever you have lying around your house. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have a look how I want the owl to be. So right about just there. So first I'm just gonna cut this from the sides and just into like a square shape. And as you can see, I've cut it like just a rough measure. It doesn't have to be like a straight line. You can just, because once you do the knot, no one's really gonna notice that. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bottom part on here and this part here goes at the top. So let's just put the cushion on top like that. And now just put this one here. Right, what you're gonna do next is just from all sides just make like little cuts just like that. And make sure you make them like throughout all four sides, like here as well, like until just like that. Yeah, on all four sides. So once you've cut all of these long strips from each ends, just place the cushion cover on top and just place this one just like that. Right, so what you're gonna do now is just one by one start from each corner and just tie them together like a knot. This process definitely gonna take a lot of time, but just be patient. Yeah, I think DIY teaches you to be really patient with stuff, and I mean once you're done, I'm sure the results are definitely gonna look great. So just continue to do the knots from all the sides, as you can see. Just have a look. Yeah, as you can see, just here, just one by one. Continue to do the whole thing throughout the whole process. I just want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos. And thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and stay cozy.